About a week ago, my town was hit with a surprise snowstorm overnight. While it was only about 6 or 7 inches that fell, that ended up being more snow than my town has seen in 50 years. So this was pretty major and knocked out power for the entire town, so consider this a vlog of what I did during my time without electricity. Hi, it's I from the future. I have electricity now, surprise. That was the artsy intro into the original vlog. I just spent like 17 hours editing the entire thing and oh my god, it was the most boring video I have ever seen. Like, I'm not even gonna waste your time. I'm not even gonna post it because it would literally just be a waste of 15 minutes and 30 seconds. Basically, I don't know what I was thinking when I was like, oh, I'll make a vlog of my time without power. Like, what did I think I was gonna do? Like, I couldn't leave my house. My classes were canceled, didn't have work. Literally just me, my cell phone. Basically, I did absolutely nothing productive over my 36 hours. I did sit down and do some nice arts and crafts, and that's what you're about to see, because I have a theme on this channel where I try and do arts and crafts and say that I'm this beautiful artist, but everything I've tried has just absolutely failed. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Like, genuinely, like, you want to know what I did when I didn't have power? I figured out how to turn my stove on. I'm gonna just roll the clip, so enjoy. I don't have electricity right now. Today we are going all natural with the lighting, just like the pioneers used to. I can't really do much, so I'm just gonna be doing some acrylic pouring, having fun, having a good time, making some more selfish content that I'm sure nobody's gonna watch. And by the way, I always hate saying this in the beginning of my videos, but I feel like it has been making kind of a difference. Maybe, I don't know. If you are not subscribed to me and you are watching this, make sure to go down there and hit that red subscribe button. Listen, I looked at my analytics and like 98% of everybody who watches my videos aren't subscribed to me, and like, that's rude. So if you are going to enjoy this content, just hit the button. It's no big deal, it's free. All right, let's get into this because I don't want to ramble anymore, because if my camera battery dies, this video is over because I don't have a way to charge it. Also, my neighbor has a generator, which is so rude, and I don't. So if you hear like this buzzing in the background, it's definitely the generator and not my AC this time, because my AC is not working. Also, why am I wearing a jacket inside? Because my house is 64 degrees, because the power's been out for about 13 hours now. So this first one, I have a black canvas and I put a little box under it just so it doesn't sag in the middle. This is like my drip tray. I was gonna get a real one, but I don't want to go out. Actually, I did go out and it was a madhouse. None of the roads are plowed. Quality content right here. And yeah, I'm just gonna basically do it. I watch a ton of acrylic pouring videos on Instagram. I love them. They're great. And I just think that they're so mesmerizing. And one of the things I really like about it is you don't have to use brushes or like anything. You just basically get a bunch of paint and like pour it on there. Yeah, oh my gosh. Okay, so an indicator of how like little it snows in the town that I live in, we don't even have snow plows. Like, there's no snow plows here. And so literally I went out, it's a madhouse. So I feel like I'm gonna rant like really quickly here while I'm mixing this about just some things that I saw while I was trying to go out in quest for food, because I didn't have the means to make food here. First of all, if you have two-wheel drive, don't go out unless you're sure you can get back, because I saw so many cars sitting there and blocking like the entire road. It was actually so annoying. Okay, another thing also is like, if it's okay, the road conditions are bad, like we know. So if you're the kind of person who's gonna tailgate me when I'm going at safe and normal like speed, you're also the absolute worst. I literally don't know if I'm doing this right. I'm just kind of like blindly mixing in like an unknown ratio amount and like hoping that it will like do its thing, maybe. So for this first one, I just kind of want to do just white and black, and then if I like how the first one turns out, then I will do another one, and if I don't like how the first one turned out, then I'll only do one. Here it is. And so I mainly want it to be white, so I'm going to put a little less. Whatever. I want this to like spread. Like, am I saying anything of substance right now? I guess one of the good things to come out of today is that like my class is canceled, because I did have a speech in public speaking and I really didn't want to do it. It's just about myself, but also like, it's hard. I think speeches about yourself are hard, especially when you don't like yourself. Pour this in there, and then I think maybe I'll just do like little like bits of black. And then basically what you do is, don't you just kind of like pour this on here? And then like this. Oh my god, my camera's like literally about to die. Oh my god, my camera's actually gonna die. No! This is so not fair. Like, this is not fair. It was literally on full, and I think you just kind of like do this. Am I doing it? I'm gonna mix more and do that like 8 more times. This is kind of fun, I guess. Listen, this is a very like last minute idea, so like don't be mad if this video like isn't the best quality. You know, when life hands you lemons, you just film YouTube videos, so that's what I'm doing. That looks good, but like it's not what I like it's, I don't know, it's like not giving me like everything that I want. All right, let's add this in there. Am I doing this right? This is hard. Also, yeah, I think I'm only gonna do this one, and I'm just gonna kind of like pour it on. Right? Acrylic pourers on Instagram, I'm so sorry. Ugh. Okay, what we don't need to do is have this dripping off the sides, if it's not even covering the whole thing in general. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Oh god, it's getting messy. Oh, wow, okay, that looks, it doesn't look like great. It doesn't look like what I thought it would. Let's just like keep adding stuff, why not? Yeah, I think I'm only gonna do one. I like the idea of doing two, but I don't have the battery life to do two. You know what I mean? Oh my god, that's out of focus. That's my finished acrylic pour, and my battery is about to die, so I'm gonna end this. So, my camera battery died, but I just want to kind of update you. So after that, I did end up doing another acrylic pour. Here it is, all dried. I mean, it's fine. You got some colors in there. And then here's the original one. It's all dry. This one is a little bit more universally like glossy and nice and almost looks like a piece of marble, just like a really low quality one. I could see both of these hanging in like an artsy apartment. Yeah, if you are watching to the end of this video, I'm so sorry. I probably wasted like, I don't know, 6 or 7 minutes of your life. If you want to, make sure to go down there and subscribe, and also let me know that you like this video by doing a thumbs up. I will not post another video of this quality, but I might do some more acrylic pouring videos because I really had a fun time doing it, and I think that they turned out pretty good. Other than that, I'm gonna go. Sorry this video was a little late. I, again, spent the last like, I don't know, 17 hours of my life trying to make this into like an artsy vlog, and it was just boring. So I'll try again next time. Bye!